Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play multiplayer in Don't Starve Together. Start by hosting or joining a server, invite friends, and set server rules. Decide on character roles like Gatherer, Builder, and Fighter to cover food, base, and defense. Share resources fairly and plan expeditions together for tougher bosses. Use voice chat or quick messages to coordinate, and keep respawn options open to reduce wipes and stress. In this video, I will show how to play multiplayer in Don't Starve Together. Open the host game menu, choose dedicated or non-dedicated, and set privacy and passwords. Tweak world generation, seasons, and monster sliders so everyone enjoys the pace. Reserve areas for base building and enable PvP only if agreed. Communicate changes clearly and encourage backups or world saves to protect progress from accidental wipes or griefing. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: a terrific book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with gaming goals like saving for a PC build. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick it up. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to play multiplayer in Don't Starve Together. Start sessions with a quick plan: who farms, who fights, who builds, and who explores. Keep communal chests labeled and place beacons for revival and supply drops. Coordinate crock pot recipes and share resources like silk and meat equally to avoid conflicts. Practice boss strategies, keep extra revival items, and celebrate small wins to keep the group motivated and having fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.